Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Wednesday, December 5th, 2018. I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. If you're looking for more in-depth information, please check out NYNJPA Weather Premium. And for the entire Northeast, including the Great Lakes, where we're seeing some lake effect snow tomorrow, please check out the Inner Circle at Weather Concierge for in-depth weather analysis and, of course, one-on-one consultation. All right, now we have a very interesting little shortwave here, a little trough, a low pressure that is building back towards the New Jersey coast and is producing snowfall around Atlantic City. It's just starting to actually reach the ground now, and it will expand and intensify as we move on through the afternoon and early evening hours. Basically from about Central Ocean County on down through Atlantic City, we're looking at about 1 to 3 inches of snow, with the potential that some of that snowfall could push over 4 or 5 inches in a few isolated locations. This is a very intense, very localized band of snowfall. Okay, it's called an inverted trough or Norlon trough, and they could produce quite a bit of snowfall in a very small location. In this case, it looks like it's going to set up around Atlantic City and then push a little bit further north before heading out in the Atlantic this evening. The rest of the region can expect scattered cloud cover. Can't rule out a flurry or a scattered snow shower here and there, as temperatures this morning range from the mid to upper teens over the northern interior, lower to mid 20s over the northwestern suburbs, and upper 20s to lower 30s along the coast. Pretty much temperatures are not going to move all that much today, with highs in the lower to mid 30s. On the infrared satellite picture, you can see that trough starting to organize and get its act together. Then look for scattered cloud cover for the rest of the region. So basically, all your snowfall, the major weather events or impacts, is basically located to Atlantic City and southern New Jersey. That's about it. The rest of the region can expect pretty much tranquil yet chilly conditions with a passing snow shower from time to time. On the latest surface map, you can see that trough starting to develop. Otherwise, high pressure is in control. A strong cold front way up here is going to be on the way for Friday, and that's going to produce some pretty hefty lake effect snow over the eastern Great Lakes and a few scattered snow showers for our neck of the woods as well. So let's dive into this forecast. We have one very interesting storm to keep an eye on for early next week, which we'll get to in a moment. So for today, watch out for a period of light snow along the southern New Jersey coast, especially around Atlantic City. Otherwise, scattered snow showers everywhere else with highs in the lower to mid 30s. For tonight, all that clears out. Look for scattered cloud cover. Can't rule out a flurry. Look for lows in the lower to mid 20s. For tomorrow afternoon, a cold front will approach with scattered snow showers in the evening and overnight hours. Look for highs in the mid to upper 30s. On Friday, that cold front exits. Another one will be approaching with scattered snow showers once again. Look for lows in the upper 20s to lower 30s. Highs in the mid to upper 30s. On Saturday, strong, cold, polar high pressure will be in place with clear skies expected, light winds, temperatures falling into the upper teens to lower 20s for lows, and lower to mid 30s for highs. On Sunday, that high pressure system continues to move over the region. Look for increasing cloud cover towards the afternoon and evening hours, lows in the upper teens to lower 20s, highs in the lower to mid 30s, so we certainly have cold air in place. This low pressure system will be organizing along the Gulf Coast, producing a snow event over the Tennessee River Valley and the southeast. The question is, does this low pressure system on Monday, right here, does it move due east off the North Carolina coast, producing a pretty significant snow event for central and western Virginia, northwestern North Carolina, even northwestern South Carolina and northeastern Georgia will be in on the snowfall. And those locations, they don't always do so well with snowfall, so that's going to be pretty interesting there. If it moves due east, that's pretty much it. Much of the mid-Atlantic just sees a few scattered snow showers, and that's about it, with temperatures ranging from the mid to upper 20s for lows and mid 30s for highs. However, if this low pressure system Monday afternoon through Tuesday morning, okay, instead of taking this track, let's say it goes right about here. If it ends up right about here, then a band of accumulating snowfall will be able to push into the New York City metro, central and southern New Jersey coast, Philadelphia metro on down through Washington, D.C., basically the Delmarva Peninsula and northeastern Virginia. The difference in this track is very, very small, but the impacts would be far different. I want to be very clear on this. This storm is an all or nothing for the coast, and it's nothing for the interior. I don't see this coming any further north to impact locations like the Poconos or southern New England. However, if this storm hits just a little bit further north, then we're going to be dealing with some more significant impacts for especially the Jersey Shore down through the Delmarva. So we're going to have to watch that very, very carefully. We're still waiting for it right now. Most of the guidance pushes the storm out into the Atlantic. However, the difference, and I've seen this before, the difference between this storm inching a little bit further north or not is very minute in terms of all the little pieces that come together to make this storm. So best not to let down your guard. If there's an impact, it's going to be Monday into Tuesday. But right now we're keeping an eye on it. Please check out the premium discussions today and the Weather Concierge inner forecast discussions, as I basically break down exactly what to expect up to this point and what are the factors that are coming into making this storm and what we're watching out for. So some pretty interesting stuff. On Wednesday, high pressures in control, clear skies, very chilly, lows in the upper teens to lower 20s, highs in the upper 20s to lower 30s. That is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino, and as always, stay safe out there.